Hello guys, it is me, I am the one here, and today we are going to do a tutorial for how to set up OBS and to let you make YouTube videos as well as stream. Now, first of all, we will go to the website, Open Broadcaster Software, and then since we're here, you could download the latest release. Windows 7 Plus, Mac OS, or Linux. After you downloaded it, it should look something like this. It should look something like this. But for me, I already set it up, so I'll set it up again. I already got a scene here. So the way you do this is you basically press add scene 3, and it's already added. And now you just add, when you want to add something like your whole entire screen, you can do display capture. And you see this? It already came up. Yes, you could either capture the cursor, or you could not. See, like this. And so you do that. And now, depending on that, you could also do mic aux. You could also put in your microphone. The way you do that is you press add again, and you put audio input. And then you press OK. And then once you're here, you press on the device, it'll say default. So you click on that, and under default is microphone, or the microphone that you'll be using. And you press OK. And so if we go down here, I have the same microphone, but it's being recorded at both the same time. Like, the whole idea is that you're able to record with your microphone after you plugged it in. And so you could also go to your settings, and the way you're going to be able to do YouTube videos is to go to your output section. Right here, we'll come back to streaming later. You have to go to your recordings first. Your recording tab, you got to click on that. And then you just leave the type standard. And your recording path, you can put it as any recording path as you like. But since I did it under C users and that. So I did my default one. And so you don't have to temper with anything else, but you need to do this, the recording format, which is MP4. And so MP4 is used for like multiple reasons. One reason is because of YouTube, and the other reason is why not. And you just hit apply and you press OK. After you hit apply and OK, you'll be able to see your recordings in your folder. The way you see your recordings is go by File, Show Recordings, and here's all your recordings. And so that's one way of using OBS. After that, we will go to settings. So you could leave general alone, but if you want to do some minor adjustments, you can, but it's not necessary. So you go to stream, and you see all of this. So under stream, you check streaming services. That's good. And the service that you'll be using, which for me is YouTube. And the server is always going to be primary. And the stream key is the one that you get from YouTube when you're trying to live stream. And then once you do that, you can hit apply and OK. But for me, I don't need to. And so over here is where it's important. So you need to pick this format or this, because both of them helps. And so like this one you can put as very fast and keep that. This you should keep it alone. And yeah, 264 is also like for recording purposes for like MP4 format. And yeah, so you could also rescale this to however you want. I'll just keep mine the same. And yeah, once you do that, you hit apply and okay. But for me, I'm going to keep it the same. So that's also another way or another reason to start using your streaming services on OBS. And OBS is completely free. And so you could also set your audio devices also by here. If you go under here, you can, where it says mic/auxiliary audio device, you could pick that and you could pick the microphone that you're using. And whereas the desktop audio device, you should leave it at default. And for video, you can do however size you want. You could do it 1440, 1920, or 1280 by 720. Well, for me, my monitor is 1440 by 900. And also, you can do the FPS. So like 60 FPS, 30, 29.97, this and that. So I'll just leave mine the same. Now, hotkeys is where it's important. Where like you can use the hotkeys for many reasons: to start streaming, to start recording, to start doing something. It's like good, but like in a good way. So what we can also do is we can click on, if you want to do streaming, you can click on any button. For me, I put F1, and for like stop streaming, it's F4 for me. And what I did for recording is press R, and for stop recording, I put S for stop. So you get the idea. Basically, this you can research on your own because it's not that hard to do. And yes, and when you have all this done, when you got your audio devices done, you can do this, and you're pretty much safe to go. And that's how you use OBS to do recordings and stream. Hope you enjoyed, and see you in the next video.